Everyone claims you need video on your website, but is it really worth it? For some businesses, video can be a total game changer, but for others, it's a costly distraction. So today, I'll show you how to decide whether or not video will drive results for your business or just end up being a waste of time. So today we're going to answer the following 3 questions. First, do you really need video on your website? And if so, what are the actual benefits? Second, when does it make sense to add video? And what are the top 3 types of video that can make an impact? And third, when should you skip video altogether? And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if, when, and how to use video on your website to get real results without wasting time or resources. So let's talk numbers because the stats on video are pretty eye-opening. Did you know that 64% of consumers say they're more likely to buy after watching a branded video? Adding a video to a landing page can boost conversions by as much as 80%. And users spend 88% more time on websites with video than on sites without video. So with data like this, it's very tempting to think that every website should have video, right? Well, not exactly. Here's the thing. Video is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Sometimes it's exactly what a business needs, and other times it can be a complete distraction. So let's start by answering the big question. Do you really need video on your website? Video is unique because it goes beyond what text and images can do. Video doesn't tell, it shows. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then video is worth, well, a lot more than 1,000. So when someone watches a video, they're getting more than just information. They're also picking up on nonverbal cues like tone and body language and personality. And all those small nonverbal details create a connection that text alone cannot quite deliver. Think of your website as having a conversation with each visitor. Video can bring that conversation to life by making them feel like they're actually meeting you. That's powerful for building trust. And when people trust you, they're a lot more likely to remember you and eventually reach out and request a consultation or make an appointment or purchase your service. A good video also boosts your credibility and authority by showing that you're serious about what you do. A well-produced video says, I'm professional, I'm experienced, and you can trust me with your business. I know from my own experience, prospective clients who've watched one or more of my videos come in feeling like they already know me a little bit. And that sense of recognition lowers resistance. They're not starting from scratch like I'm a complete stranger. So now that we've covered why video can be so effective, let's look at when it makes the most sense to add video to your website. After all, not every video serves the same purpose or brings the same results. So here are 3 types of videos that make the biggest impact on your website. First, explainer videos. These are perfect if your service is complex or hard to explain in writing. Video can break things down and make things crystal clear for the viewer, reducing any hesitation about working with you. For example, a physical therapist might use a quick video to walk new clients through their approach from initial evaluation to a customized therapy plan. Imagine a short 2-minute video showing exactly how the process works. It's so much more engaging than just reading a long, complicated, and boring paragraph. Next, we have brand story or meet the team videos. These types of videos are all about connection. They allow prospective clients to put a name with a face so they can see who they'd be actually working with, which builds rapport even before they've spoken with you. If your team has unique personalities or there's an interesting story behind your brand, a short video can make you stand out and help clients feel like they know you on a personal level. Even a quick team intro can make prospective clients feel like they're choosing people they know and trust. Then finally, showcase videos. This type of video is perfect if you have a strong visual component to your business, like if you're an interior designer, a chef, or a cabinet maker. It allows you to show off what you do best in a way that words can't quite capture. Think of an interior designer giving a tour of a completed room, or a chef showcasing their signature dishes, or a cabinet maker walking viewers through the design, cutting, and installation of custom cabinetry. A showcase video lets prospective clients see the level of quality and craftsmanship they can expect, something that a long written description just can't match. While video can have a big impact when used strategically, it's not always the right choice for every business or situation. So let's look at 2 instances when adding video might actually work against you. First, lack of resources or readiness. If you don't have the time, the budget, or experience to create a decent quality video, it is perfectly okay to wait. A low-quality video or a rushed video can actually detract from your brand. Just like a sloppy logo or a poorly designed website can adversely affect your brand, an amateurish video can also leave a bad impression. Now let's face it, making good video takes a little bit of work. You need the right equipment, you need video editing skills, and a certain comfort level in front of the camera, and not everyone has the time or desire to learn those skills. And that's totally fine. If you want to add video to your website but you're just not quite ready, don't force it or rush it because it might do more harm than good. Instead, focus on creating a rock-solid website that fully reflects your professionalism and expertise and really showcases your brand. Another reason why you might want to skip putting video on your website, at least for the time being, is there's no clear purpose for the video. So if there's no specific goal for the video, like explaining your process or showcasing your work or building a connection with viewers, then video will just distract from your main message. Adding video to your website simply for the sake of adding video is not an effective strategy. For example, let's say you're a consulting firm and you post a video on your homepage. If that video doesn't have a clear purpose, like guiding viewers through your consultation process or answering common client questions, it can come across as random or confusing or even irrelevant. A video without a specific goal can leave visitors wondering, why is this video here and why did I just waste my time? Remember, without a clear purpose, adding video can do more harm than good. Viewers have high expectations for video content, so if it doesn't add real value, it's better just to leave it out. So yes, video can be a great addition to your website, but only when it's the right fit for your business. Used strategically, video can help build a personal connection, showcase your expertise, and make visitors feel like they know you. But it's not a magic fix. If your website has underlying issues with design, speed, or user experience, you're going to have to roll up your sleeves and do the work. And to really assess your website's health, make sure to watch my next video where I walk you through a step-by-step evaluation to help you decide if your website needs a redesign, and you can watch that right here.